What's up, y'all? It's your girl Frenchie, and today I'm gonna show you how I got my headlights to go from this to this. It was a pretty simple process, so stay tuned for a step-by-step tutorial. Seeing that this can get a little messy, I went ahead and used masking tape, duct tape, painter's tape, whatever you want to call it, to go ahead and, take my car off so I don't mess my paint up. So for this, I used the RainX Headlight Restoration Kit. It came with 3 different grits of sandpaper. So first I'm going to put that on my power drill. Make sure I put a little water on my headlight because you do not want to sand with no water. And you continue to add water as you sand it. You just get every area. Just go around, go around the light. You can go slow, you can go fast. At this point, I didn't know. I just went and it worked for me. So boom, I went in with the gray sandpaper next. Same situation. Add a little bit of water and continue to buff it out. You want to wipe it down between each buff or sand. And then we're going to go in with the blue one. And this is the last grit. Same situation. Add a little bit of water. If it gets dry, add some water because you do not want to mess your car up. Wipe that baby down, and then we're gonna go in with our polish. So you're gonna take that buffer, put it onto your um, power tool, and then you're gonna go in with the RainX headlight polish. I was struggling there. So go ahead, same thing. I didn't add water to this. I didn't know, to be honest, and it worked. So I promise y'all I was going with the flow. Swear to God. So I just buff it out, just like it says on the pack. After polishing, you're gonna go ahead in and wipe it down. It was so super simple, you guys. Next, I'm gonna go in with my protecting sealant wipe it down. It works immediately. Boom, baby. From that to that. How? I don't know, but I did it.